Introduction to Bivariate Analysis. Bivariate analysis explores the relationship between two variables. It helps uncover trends, patterns, and associations that inform decision making. This powerful technique lays the foundation for more advanced statistical modeling. Scatterplots and correlation. Scatterplots. Scatterplots visually represent the relationship between two variables, revealing the direction, strength, and potential outliers. Correlation. Correlation measures the linear relationship between variables, ranging from -1 to 1. The closer to 1 or -1, the stronger the association. Regression analysis. Simple regression predicts the value of a dependent variable based on a single independent variable. Multiple regression predicts the value of a dependent variable based on multiple independent variables. Regression equation, the mathematical formula that describes the relationship between variables. Hypothesis testing for bivariate relationships. Significance testing determines if the observed relationship is statistically significant. P-values quantify the probability of obtaining the observed result by chance. Confidence intervals estimate the range of possible values for the relationship. Assumptions and limitations of bivariate analysis. Linearity. The relationship between variables is linear. Normality. The variables are normally distributed. Homoscedasticity. The variance of the residuals is constant. Independence. The observations are independent of each other. Conclusion and key takeaways. 1. Understand relationships. Bivariate analysis uncovers the nature and strength of associations between variables. To inform decisions, the insights gained can guide strategic decision making and problem solving. 3. Recognize limitations. Careful interpretation is crucial, as bivariate analysis cannot prove causality.